We are back from commercial. By the way, chapter 3, lesson 3, same thing. Create a Java class, write a main method, use print line, string literal, all as well. Okay, fair enough. I've had, I'm going I'm going to fly through these things honestly. You make a class, you'll call it hello, and it's going to be public, so globally accessible. Fields of that class, it means same way a record has fields, as in like properties or data or variables. Same thing, just containers. Fields are just data, are just containers, they're just variables, that's it. Methods, they actually do things. Fields just hold information. Methods, they do things. So keep that in mind. You can also get them in a certain package. That's why sometimes we download certain packages, or we need certain packages, or there are some updates that we need from certain packages. Like if there's a intrusion or security vulnerability, we have to up our systems. So usually we need new packages, security packages, or interface or UI packages, those sort of things. I'm still flying, and still flying. Oh, that one is an exercise. Now, should I explain this? Okay, just know that a code block has to be in curly braces. So this is one curly braces, this is another curly braces, this is your whole code block. Public means it's global. What does static mean again? Static in Java. There's only one that will exist, and then there'll be no other. Okay, fair enough. Whoa. Okay, this is cool. Only one exists, irrespective of how many objects or instances of the given class are created. Okay, so different classes could still share like the same memory address. That is interesting, to say the least. But use it well. Okay, so you initialize used only once. So it belongs specifically to the class as well. Can be used via the objects and can only access other static variables and methods. Since it's static, I understand. It's good. Love the Java security. Nice. Okay, we are learning. Nice. Okay, Java is dope. Where was I? Okay, so we went through static. Only one. For security purposes, there'll be no copies or whatsoever. Void, it returns nothing. It doesn't return a string, doesn't return an integer. And main, it is the main class. Now, um, that's the main class. Main method, okay. Because this is a class, this is a method. Hence, if it's main, then it's the main method. Let's be if let's be efficient real quick and use this. Okay, let me see. Okay, I don't need anything else, it's fine. Just do a quick one. Removing this because PDFs tend to misbehave. Why is this a problem? Why is this a problem? Public class, say hello. Okay, now let me do this. Public class hello, and we have a error. Oh, sometimes I forget that the name should match the thing, the main class. Name of file, name of class, same thing, they should match. Now I explained there'll be string arguments. This is the just done procedure, but then different methods will require different arguments. They won't always be strings, they won't always be called args or arguments, or they kind of are, but don't always be written as args basically. And all this will do is from the system it will output, it will trigger the, you could say, the outputs class out, safe, fair enough, and then auto print line. Which line? This one. I won't lie, I'm multitasking. There may be delays, but anyway, let's save the code. Run the code. See, now let can make it another hello world. Let's say music. Yeah, music is the voice of God. An iconic line. This one. Let's run. See what happens. Lovely. Lovely. So use print line via a class and a method. And that is chapter 3 in a nutshell. Thank you and good night.